What are earthquakes? Earthquakes are the shaking of the surfaces of the earth resulting from the sudden release of energy in the lithosphere, which then creates the seismic waves. Why do earthquakes happen? They're usually when the rock underground suddenly breaks along the fault, which suddenly releases energy causing the seismic waves that make the ground shake. How are earthquakes rated? Using the Richter scale, moment magnitude scale, and Richter magnitude scale. The moment magnitude scale is used by the seismologists to measure the size of earthquake. The Richter magnitude scale assigns a magnitude number to quantify the size of an earthquake. The Richter scale, it expresses the magnitude of an earthquake on the basis of seismograph movement back and forth. How can you stay safe before and after an earthquake? Before an earthquake, you need to get down, take cover, a desk or table, and cover your neck. After the earthquake has happened, you need to get off the building safely and go to an area where if something collapses cannot affect you. For example, the soccer field. Where do earthquakes happen? Earthquakes happen all over the world, especially on the oceanic and continental plates. A place where it happens often is in California. How do scientific people find the epicenter? Using 3 or more seismographs, which then tells the difference between the earthquake and how far away it was. What is a seismograph? A seismograph is an instrument that measures and records details of an earthquake that happened. It can be the magnitude or can tell the time or duration of it. The worst earthquake in history. The 9.5 Valdivia earthquake that struck in Chile in 1960. This earthquake created a tsunami, and this tsunami killed about 5,700 people. Three types of seismic waves. The primary waves, or P waves, they are alternately compressional and extensional. It also causes the rocks they pass to change volume. The secondary waves, the motion in a solid medium where the medium moves in a perpendicular to the direction of waves and the way it travels. Surface wave. It usually has a larger amplitude and longer wavelength than body waves. They also travel more slowly.